Do you need to activate your phone or repair a broken screen? Look no further than GSMfastest.com. GSMfastest.com offers a variety of services to meet your phone activation and repair needs. They offer phone activations for a variety of carriers, including AT&T, T-Mobile, and Verizon, and can even help you unlock your phone if needed. Their team of expert technicians uses high-quality replacement parts and state-of-the-art tools to get your phone working like new again. And if you're worried about the cost of phone repairs, GSMfastest.com offers some of the most competitive prices on the market, with no hidden fees or charges. GSMfastest.com also offers a range of other phone repair services, including battery replacement, charging port repair, and more. Visit our website today to learn more and get started.
GSMfastest.com, the fastest and most reliable way to get your phone up and running again.